34,000 feet in the air, hundreds of passengers on board, and two aircrafts, and that too on a collision course. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhrityatri, and this was not a movie scene. Ladies and gentlemen, this was real. And it happened near Venezuela, and that too in one of the most tense airspaces in the region. The civilian flight, the jet blue Airbus A320, flying a routine route from Curacao to New York. Families on board, tourists, business travelers, nothing unusual until everything went wrong. The military jet. The U.S. Air Force refueling tanker, heavy, massive, flying a sensitive mission, and here's the shocker. Its transponders was off. That means no clear signal, hard to track, nearly invisible on civilian radar. Well, the moment of panic arrived. At 34,000 feet, the military aircraft crossed directly into the passenger jet's flight path. The JetBlue pilots saw it, and that too at the last moment. Alarms, sudden maneuvers, a sharp change in altitude mid-climb. The cockpit voice says it all, near collision. Seconds from disaster. Had earlier aircraft been seconds later, hundreds of lives could have lost. No fireball, no wreckage. Just a very close call that almost became a headline the world would never forget. Why was military jet there? This is where the geopolitics enter the cockpit. The incident happened near the Venezuelan coast at the time when the US had increased the naval and air activity in that particular region. Washington says that it's targeting the drug trafficking, smuggling routes, criminal networks. After that, Caracas fired back. Venezuela strongly denies all the claim. They say that the US is militarizing the region using anti-drug operations as a cover, creating unnecessary danger for the civilians. This near miss only fuels those accusations. So the bigger question, why there were no transponders? Military aircraft sometimes switch off transponders for operational reasons, but when civilian traffic is nearby, that particular decision can be deadly, right? This particular incident, it exposes the gaps in coordination, risk of mixed military-civil airspace, and how geopolitics can endanger the ordinary people. Right now, investigations are underway. Aviation safety authorities are reviewing the data. Airlines are demanding for the answers because the near misses, they are warning. This is not just a flight scare. This was a reminder. When tensions rise on the ground, the danger can spill into the sky. And at 34,000 feet, there is no second chances.